Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport Base. Coming in this nice hot pepper red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a backup camera, we do get a nice lift glass as well, allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can just leave it open for some air, totally up to you. Got roof rails, mud flaps on the rear and front with blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have a license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does have plenty of cargo space. You do have a nice little light back here, 12-volt hooks and doodads to hold your gear down. You do get a light on your lift gate as well, which is pretty nice, and you can collapse that rail if you need additional storage. You do, of course, get storage with your spare tire as well, which is all pretty handy. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, got floor mats, the Bronco logo with a USB, USB-C, and you got carpeted interior, tons of door space, and you can fold down those seats once again, so you can have extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, liftgate and lights on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 27,462 kilometers. We do get a vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have your toggle-free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, driving assist, audio, phone, information about the vehicle, trip 1 and 2's in there, and so on and so forth. To my right, we have our GO modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. We got our center console here with tons of storage. You got outlets down there, cup holders, more storage here with the 12-volt down there. You got your climate controls, little storage cubby here. You got storage in the glove compartment, auto stop, auto start, and hazards. And you do get your infotainment system, which has audio, compass phone, Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get your normal AM, FM, but you do get your Bluetooth capabilities as well. Phone controls, any apps you may download will show up right here. Settings such as Ford Pass, Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, 911 Assist, valet mode, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7924, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.